All right, guys. Hope you guys are good. Here's another one, right, from Legacy Carpentry. We buy furnitures to make our houses look good. Some of us spend a lot of money on furniture, a lot of money on furnitures. And another one is that some furnitures are replaceable, but some are not. In this case, we had an issue whereby a lady reached out to us regarding one of her coffee tables that she bought for a lot of money back in the days. Guys, we have to understand that furniture, whether it's high quality or not, sometimes it does tend to degrade a bit, which is acceptable. But some people hold sentimental value towards those furnitures because some are passed on from one generation to the next. Some people just worked hard for that type of furniture and they just cannot sell it or replace it in some sort of way. So, because of one of our services at restoration, we were happy to take on the project regarding restoring this beautiful coffee table. So, this coffee table was made out of European oak wood. So carpenters know that that type of wood is very expensive. So we had two options: either to make another piece that will fit into the existing piece, or we tried to fix the existing piece, which we could. So we highlighted the whole process here. We did a lot of drilling to disassemble the pieces, and then after that we just assessed the damage, removed the old material whereby there was a lot of wood fill and old glue that was used on the actual project. So we really went through this project, we cleaned it up, we put it together. So guys, we have to understand that some types of furnitures, as I said, are irreplaceable. We do our best as Legacy Carpentry to support some of our clients regarding holding that sentimental value towards their furniture. So here we tried our best, guys. We were working with broken wood, very hard wood, but we persevered. As I said before, resiliency is key, and patience and dedication is key regarding completing projects. So we did our best with this project. The client loved it. Slight modifications had to be done here, then and then, but the client loved it. So, guys, yeah, if you guys have furniture that you cannot replace, you'd like it to be fixed, and just hit us up. You can find us on Instagram, you can find us on TikTok, and you can find us on Facebook. We'll gladly help you preserve that type of furniture that is sentimental to you. You don't have to replace it, guys. Please call us. We will be glad to come and assist you with restoring the project. But bear in mind that some projects, guys, can be unfixable. So we do take this and we assess it on a we take every project and we go at it by case, depending on the type of damage that it's there. So yes, guys, please bear that in mind. Some furnitures can be fixed, but some can't. So, but we try our best as always to actually preserve the furniture and give it back to the client and make the client happy, because one of our core values is customer satisfaction. So hope you guys love this video. Hope you guys um bring those furnitures that mean a lot to you guys. We are gladly there to assist you guys. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoy it.